Yeah, we're done. We're done.
You know, watching it?
No.
Why not?
That's
Just look at it real quick. Just go back to it real quick and look at it. We'll see how long you can stand it.
Don't even show the.
Just watch.
Why do they all have funny looking meat?
Because they're foreign. That's what foreign people do. They got funny looking meats.
My meat look like that, I might chop it off too.
That's not bothering you?
No, because he's moving around too freely for me to even believe that.
You don't believe it.
Dude is like digging inside himself with testicles ain't that big. Maybe.
Man, you're too G. You're too G.